The words we speak are very important. The Bible says that by our words we're justified, or by our words we're condemned. Let me encourage you to read James, the 3rd chapter, and see what he has to say about the words we speak. The words that we speak are so very important because the words we speak can bring life, or the words that we speak can bring death. The Bible says that out of the mouth it comes death and life. That death and life is in the power of the tongue, and you will eat the fruit of your words. That means whatever you're speaking, you're going to eat the fruit of those things. That we're gonna reap what we sow, and the words that we speak, they're seeds that we sow. And I want you to think about that the words that you speak today, that you're speaking to the people around you, you are sowing seed into their life that's going to produce fruit in their life. And if we're speaking death into people constantly and speaking negatives into people, then it's going to produce fruit in them if they allow it to take root. And so it's very important that we speak the right things, that we're speaking in faith, that we're speaking the words that God would have us to speak over our family, over our children, over our marriage, over our finances, over our job, over our church. It's very important that we're speaking the right things because our tongue will take us down a path. And so make sure that you're speaking the right words. If you want to end up in the right place, then you've got to be saying the right things. The Bible says that out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. So whatever is in your heart is what you're going to be talking about. And so if you're always talking about dead things and negative things are coming out of your mouth, then that's really what's inside of your heart. So make sure that you have the right things in your heart, because whatever is in your heart is what you're going to say. So let your heart today be full of faith. Let your heart be full of courage. Let your heart be full of hope and love and all the good things that come from God, because whatever is in your heart is what you're going to say. And whatever you say is where you're going to end up. So let me encourage you to speak the right things today. Watch your mouth. Watch your tongue. Loose lips sink ships. Until tomorrow, this is Pastor Allen reminding you that God has a plan, a purpose, and a destiny for your life.